Hi guys, how are you doing today? Welcome to my channel. My name is Victoria. If this is your first time, you're welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always watching my videos. So today, it's weekend and then I feel we should just gist. So what are we going to talk about? Let's see. Yeah, so something happened to me a few weeks ago in a public transport. I know that Ajekpaku, I'm not talking about Ajekpakos, like Ajekpakos like me will relate when I start sharing my story. Like it was not funny. So I just feel like I should gist you guys. Yeah. So guys, sometimes we get to confuse being polite and being afraid. We get to confuse these two things. Yeah, we get them confused. Like there is a difference between being polite and being actually scared of people. Yeah, there is a difference between them, and then it is important that you are bold and that you know you're right. So when you get to hear my story, you will understand what I'm trying to drive at. So keep watching and don't forget to subscribe. Make sure you watch to the end. I'm still your girl Victoria. Thank you. So guys, on this particular day, I went to pick my baby from school. It was not funny. Actually, I was really tired. Like I was already very tired. I was stressed up on this particular day, and it was quite sunny. So as I was waiting, then it was as if there was a coffee because no vehicle was even actually passing. It was already getting like I was feeling so peace. Like so, lo and behold, one cab just parked, and then I asked if the car was going towards my direction, and it was actually going, and then I had to board it. As I opened the door to enter, I didn't even see any space, like no space. I met 3 people there. The man is going to put 4 people at the back, 2 people in the front, now. And there was no space at all. Okay, so seeing that as I opened the door there was no space, I just slammed the door. I just banged the door back. So, and I just said, I can't sit down here. I am carrying a baby. I have my own bag. I have my baby's school bag, my baby's lunchbox. As in, how am I going to? So the driver just got down and then he opened the boot so that I can put all the bags there and it will be easier. We did that, and then I opened the door again so that I can just manage and sit down. These people are just sitting like they are in their living rooms, like they are not even shifting. Okay, the driver was like, "You people shift." See, these people were just shaking their body like this. Like I don't know if you have been in this kind of a situation. They are not shifting the bum, like they are just shaking like this. Wait till they happen. Shift. So I was angry. I wanted to lock the door again. That maybe I should just still wait. I'm not going to go with this cab. I was already getting angry, and then someone just spoke in the. And then now this border, there were 2 guys in the front. Now so the guy just spoke from the front. He was sitting beside the driver like, hey, well, let's go. It's like this lady is not even supposed to ask them. I was like, oh God, am I not going to pay? Abi, what's all this rubbish? Are you going to pay for me? I'm going to pay for this seat, and there's no space there. You are telling me that this lady, hey Joe, hang your mouth there. The guy just looked back and like on a normal day I'm not that kind of a person, but I was really angry. And then the funniest thing is that, so all this, any bus stop the same price, like any bus stop the same amount. So I was just going to be in that cab for about 2 to 3 minutes, and I'm going to pay 150 naira. People that are going to be there for about 5, 10, 15 minutes, they will also pay 150 naira. Like, you understand? So, and then I'm not going to even inconvenience myself. Within just 2 minutes, I'm going to be there, 2 or 3 minutes, and I'm going to pay the same amount they are going to pay. I met them there, and I'm still going to get down before them. Like, I was really angry. So that one we ended that one like that. So then I managed. They shall manage to shift. I just used one bum to sit. I carried my baby, and we were just there. And then the car moved. And so as the car moved, though, we wanted to be going. And so one grandpa that was sitting on the same seat with me at the back, he just said, you see, you children of nowadays, you need to learn to tolerate. Ooh. Like my head just sparked. Like, tolerate what? There was not even any space there for me to manage or tolerate. Like, there was no space. So if I want to tolerate, you expect that I stand, right? Because I'm not going to pay. I just said, sir, please, did you see the space she left for me? Did you see the space and he was like, did I see the space she left for you? Are you talking to me like I'm like, she like, is that one an abuse or something? Is that abusive? Did you see the space she left for me? Like, showed you your eyes from that place? Did you reach this place that you were able to see this little space she left for me? You're now talking, you're telling me to, and then tolerate what? God save, I don't understand. What should I tolerate? I should pay 150 and stand because I want to tolerate and I want to be a good child of this generation. Please, sir, hang it. So the man was talking, he was talking, and I was talking too. Me, I didn't even know because I was really, really angry. Like, I didn't even know what I was saying. I can't remember. But the last thing I knew I said was like, did you see the space she left for me and tolerate what? What do you expect me to tolerate? Am I not going to pay? I knew I said all that, but I said a lot of other things that I can't even remember. Even a few minutes after then, I was really, really angry and I was really pissed. So and then before we even finished the argument, I had already gotten to my bus stop. I got down. Like, I was the last person to enter that cab, and I was the first to alight. Like, and then I was going to pay the same amount with them, and then there was no space. Like, it was just not comfortable at all. That was the major reason why I was so angry. Now my point is this. Yeah, like, we have to be, all this good girl, we have to be a good girl. We have to be polite. We have to show that we are children of God. Yes, so guys, I'm cooking. I have to look at what I'm cooking. So as I got down, guys, I was just thinking, like, I was just feeling like, have I really behaved well there? Like, I was feeling this kind of guilt in me. And then I began to think, in fact, what is the difference between being polite and knowing one's right? Because being polite, being afraid, being bold, and knowing one's right, like, they are different things. And then I noticed that I get them all confused, and a lot of people also do that. Then I started to think, and then I looked at a lot of situations, and I got to realize that yes, it's good to be polite, yes, it's good to be bold, and then it is very, very good that you know your rights. Yes, because if you don't, you just realize that people will make fool of you. Yes, it is true to be polite. It is true, it is good. But then, at the point of being polite, so in a nutshell, what I'm trying to say, the essence of my long story is that, please and please, there is a difference between being polite and being scared of people. Yes, the Bible said the Lord has given us the spirit of boldness and of sound mind. So please be bold. Let your mind be sound. Face the world. Do not let the world rob you of everything that belongs to you. Do not let them rob you of your rights. These things happen. There are a lot of people, they just want to bully you. Like, there are a lot of people, a lot of things happen, not just in the camp, even in our places of, even in marriage, even in amidst family. It happens everywhere and every time, every day, in different situations. So the point I'm driving at is, at the point of trying to say that you're polite, don't make sure you're sure that it's not that you are afraid. Yes, because I have been in these kind of situations. So guys, please, in your daily dealings and relationship with people, whether at work, in your family, in your marriage, in the neighborhood, in the public transport, in the church, everywhere you find yourself, make sure that yes, you are polite, but you are actually bold. And then you know your rights and you stand for it. Do not let anybody intimidate you in the name of you are not polite, you are not tolerant. No, do not let anyone judge you. Claim your rights. Stand for what belongs to you, because it actually belongs to you. The Lord has given you the spirit of boldness and of sound mind. So do not let anyone rob you of that mind in the name of she's not polite, she's not tolerant. They are not even if they are polite, they would not have hurt you or whatever. So I am not trying to say that it's not good to be polite. So please and please get my point right. It's good that you are polite. It's good that you respect people, don't disrespect people. But please make sure that you know your rights. You are not actually scared. I'm not asking you to abuse anyone or fight with anyone or put up a fight with people easily or fastly. But what I'm saying is some people will just get you really scared, as in like in the name of that she's polite, like oh my confirm run on jet, they will just want to step on your toes and cheat you and rob you of your right. That's what I'm trying to say. So you don't have to be afraid of anyone. Do not be afraid of a man that can only kill and cannot wake. And don't be afraid of a man. Don't be afraid of any man, because you are a child of God and you have dominion over everything, even over creation. So please and please make sure you are bold. Make sure that you're not scared of human beings. Stand for your rights. When you are supposed to talk. Some people, they will just press you, they'll press you together like this in the cab and you'll not be able to talk. You will get down, you will have paja in your leg. So you so like these things has really happened to me, and then I just got to, sometimes I just get back to myself. I'm like, what's all this one gonna say? So thank you so much for having the gist and seeing the video to the end. So henceforth, please do make sure that you stand for your rights. It's good that you're polite, but then be bold and claim your rights. I hope you do enjoy my gist and you learned one or two things. Till I see you some other time. Don't forget to subscribe for more inspiring and exciting times like this.